Hi fellow DIYers! Welcome back to my channel and welcome if you're new. In this video, I'm gonna show you how to make this graduation candy holder with opening mechanism. I'm so honored to be contacted by Yeni, the creator of this file, to make a video tutorial about this project. You can get this file from Etsy. I'll put the link in the description box below. If you've watched my other tutorial about Easter Bunny candy holder, the file I used was also from her. I'll also put the link of that tutorial in the description box. You can put candy or anything that you want that can fit in the clear dome that you're going to use. So let's get started! Open your Design Space app, click Upload Image, and then Browse. And then I'm gonna click the Graduation OM folder. And then from here, you'll see there are two written instructions, one in Spanish and one in English. So now click the Designs folder. Now we have two SVG files here. One is Graduation 6 and 7 centimeter, and the other one is Graduation 8 and 10 centimeter. In this tutorial, I'm gonna use a 10 centimeter. So I'm gonna click this, and then click Upload, and then click the file that we've just uploaded, and then click Add to Canvas. I'm just gonna zoom it out, click Ungroup, and then I'm gonna click this text and delete it. And as we can see, there are two sizes here, one 8 centimeter and the other one is 10 centimeter. And again, I'm gonna use this 10 centimeter, so I'm gonna delete this 8 centimeter. So I'm going to select this text and delete it, and then select all, and then click Ungroup. And then on the Layers panel, scroll down until you see these numbers and letters. Click the word group, and then all the numbers and letters should be highlighted. Now click Delete. Now these pieces are for opening mechanism. And for this one, I'm going to click Ungroup. And I'm just separating them. And for this one, instead of blue, I'm going to use a red foil cardstock. So I'm going to change the color to red. Now I'm going to ungroup these opening mechanism pieces. So I'm going to click Ungroup. I'm going to change their color to yellow. Now you can use any color of cardstock that you want for this project. Now for these three, I used foil cardstock. And then for this one, I'm going to click Ungroup. And then I'm going to change the color of the text. Now this piece is going to be the clear acetate. It's up to you if you want to use this, or you can just apply the writing or the vinyl directly to the clear dome. Now we're ready to go. I'm going to click Make It. This first mat is the clear acetate. And the second mat, I'm going to use 8.5 by 11 inches cardstock. So I'm going to click the material size and change it to 8.5 by 11 inches. And I'm going to do that again to mat number 3 because I'm going to use an 8.5 by 11 inches red foil cardstock. And my mat number 4 is going to be the writing, so I'll just leave it like that. And for my mat number 5, I'm going to use an 8.5 by 11 inches foil cardstock. And for my mat number 6, 7, 8, 9, I'm just going to use regular 8.5 by 11 inches yellow cardstock. So I'm going to start cutting from mat number 1. So I'm going to click that and click Continue. And since I don't have the Mylar settings saved as my favorites, I'm going to click Browse All Materials and then type in Mylar. And then click that and then Done. Now after the first mat is done cutting, make sure to change the material setting from Mylar to the material that you're using. So in my case, I'm going to change it to medium cardstock. And for my mat number 4, since I'm going to use foil adhesive vinyl, I'm going to change the material setting from medium cardstock to foil adhesive. So I'm going to click Browse All Materials, and then I'll type in foil, and then under All Materials, click Adhesive Foil, and then click Done. And I'll adjust the pressure to more. And lastly, I'm going to use medium cardstock for the rest of the mats, so I'm going to change it back to medium cardstock. So this is the clear acetate sheet, and I got it from Amazon. I put the link in the description box below. So this is the red foil cardstock that I'm going to use. And this is what I'm going to use for the writing. I'm going to use this red one. Now we're done cutting all the pieces. We're going to start assembling the opening mechanism. So I'm going to use Aleene's tacky glue for the opening mechanism. So we'll start with these pieces. Poke those little tabs like so, and you want to make sure that you do it in this direction, otherwise the opening mechanism will not work. And then we'll glue these two pieces together. Now this step is important. Insert these two tabs to that first hole. And then make your way clockwise. Insert the first tab of the other piece into this hole and then make your way clockwise. Now we're done with the opening mechanism. I'm going to use these pop dot adhesives to make layers on this project. Glue these two pieces together. Now for the clear acetate, you will notice that there are two markers on the sides of the dome. And those markers are where we are going to glue both ends of this acetate. Again, you can apply the vinyl directly to the dome if you prefer. And there you have it! If you like this video, please hit the like button. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comments below. All feedback is welcome and any feedback is good feedback. Please subscribe to my channel and check out my other tutorials. See you in the next episode of DIY by Sass. Thanks for watching!